How to use Apple Pay on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone. With your iPhone or Apple Watch, you can use Apple Pay in stores, restaurants, gas stations, taxis, or wherever else you can see one of these symbols. To use your default card, if your iPhone has Face ID, double-click the side button. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID or enter your passcode to open Apple Wallet. If your iPhone has Touch ID, double-click the Home button. To use a different card, tap your default card to see your other cards. Tap a new card and authenticate. Hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader until done, and a check mark appears on the display. To pay with your Apple Watch, double-click the side button. Your default card opens automatically. Scroll down to choose another card. Hold the display of your Apple Watch near the contactless reader until you feel a gentle tap and hear a beep. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.